Have you ever felt intrigued by the potential of earning money through cryptocurrencies but found yourself intimidated by complex charts and overwhelming jargon? Well, today you're in luck. Step into the world of digital currencies with a daily earnings strategy that cuts through the complexity and empowers beginners. This guide provides a user-friendly approach to understanding how you can start seeing gains without sifting through endless data or decoding elaborate graphs. First, let's start with the basics. Imagine your daily crypto strategy as a morning routine, straightforward and easy to maintain. One excellent method is through dollar cost averaging, a term that simply means investing a fixed amount into a cryptocurrency on a regular schedule, say daily or weekly, regardless of the coin's price. This way, you smooth out the volatility over time, buying more when prices are low and less when prices are high. It's like picking apples from a tree on set intervals, ensuring you get a fair spread. Now, let's talk about diversification. In the world of crypto, there's a saying: never put all your eggs in one basket. Instead of investing in a single cryptocurrency, consider spreading your investment across several. By doing this, you mitigate risks and increase the potential for returns. Think of it as building a team for an expedition. Each cryptocurrency brings its unique strengths, and when one lags, another might surge, maintaining your overall progress. Next, let's explore a concept to maximize gains called staking. Staking is akin to earning interest in a savings account. It involves holding cryptocurrencies in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards. This method is one of the simpler ways to increase your daily earnings, and for beginners, it's as easy as setting up a direct deposit. While these methods help build a foundational strategy, staying informed is crucial. Meme coins and emerging cryptocurrencies might catch your eye, but remember, not all that glitters is gold. Follow credible news sources and community discussions, much like keeping tabs on the weather before heading out. Develop a habit of setting aside time to read or listen to updates. Knowledge is a compass that steers your daily strategy toward fruitful opportunities and away from pitfalls. Additionally, keep in mind the user-friendly features of crypto apps and exchanges designed for everyday earners. These platforms often provide accessible research tools, alerts on market trends, and an overview of your portfolio. Using these, you can easily monitor and manage your investments, much like having a virtual assistant guide you along your journey. Before we wrap up, let's address the elephant in the room: risk management. While crypto offers exciting opportunities, it's essential to set your boundaries. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Establish clear limits on your trades and stick to them, much like a responsible wick on a candle to ensure a safe burn. In doing so, you protect yourself from the detrimental effects of impulsive decisions and market whims. In conclusion, embarking on a daily crypto earnings journey without the clutter of complex charts is all about adopting straightforward strategies like dollar cost averaging, diversifying your investments, and leveraging staking. Staying informed and using friendly tools available in the market ensures you remain on a steady path. And remember, discipline in risk management is your safeguard. This way, you open doors to digital wealth while maintaining peace of mind. As you step into this exciting realm, equip yourself with these strategies and watch your earnings grow with each passing day. If you want to learn how people earn crypto online, watch the free videos at joinalexnow.com.